You've done quite a bit on TikTok. You get quite a few leads from TikTok.
I do.
I think this can become a little TikTok clip, by the way, from this video.
In fact, my most recent TikTok lead was just the other day, and the lady asked me to marry her.
Oh my gosh.
More than once.
Because she loves you.
More than once.
Is it under Rebecca Davis or no?
At Medicare Wonder Woman.
I should have known.
And it's not a great big following yet. But that's what I tell agents that talk to me about it.
5,200 followers for TikTok. That's pretty freaking good. I thought you were going to have like 47 over here. No, it's not that many. It's not that big. It's over 5,000.
No, it's not. Compared to TikTok, it's not that big. But what I try to stress to agents that it's not so much who's following you, but who sees you on TikTok.
Yeah.
And because it's been a lead generating machine. Even with just 5,000 people on it, it was started
17,000 likes on stuff.
It started to be a lead generating machine when I got to about 1,000.
Wow.
Followers.
So you get leads how often now from TikTok?
Every day.
Every day?
Mm-hmm.
Tell Cassidy to up our TikTok. Come on, Cassidy, up our TikTok game. Was there one specific video that went viral?
Yes, there is one. And on TikTok, you've got to talk fast.
Yeah, it was like
60 seconds.
60 seconds, okay.
And I was explaining.
More than Snapchat back in the day.
We had this couple that came in that was Hispanic, and they've been on Medicare a couple of years, but all they had was straight Medicare. They only made like $500 between them.
Wow.
They're having their Part B deducted. And I was just explaining on TikTok how we were able to get their Part B back, how we were able to, get them on insurance that picked up all the deductibles, got them dental, vision, hearing, all that rigmarole.
Yep.
And it blew up.
You gotta check out her TikTok. I'm over here checking it out.
And then I mix it up. I post some stuff with Canon on there, and I'll share a funny video. It can't be 100% business all the time.
Yep. How many views did that one have? Do you know?
Like 80,000 or something.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Yes. They basically doubled their income in a couple hours. This was this one. Yeah. Wow. 11,000 likes almost 80,000 views. That's incredible. You learn something every day, folks. I mean, shoot, is it Medicare leads off TikTok?
Yes.
That's crazy. Well, Scott Sims is probably getting them by the hour.
Yeah, he is. He's got a huge following.
Yeah,
and TikTok's part of the reason why we decided to go national. Because I was getting leads from all these crazy states that I wasn't in.
18,000 followers.
Oh, he's huge.
What are seniors doing on freaking TikTok?
Well, there are some seniors on there, but a lot of it is their kids or their grandkids. I've had grandkids literally bring their grandparents to my office from TikTok.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. TikTok. You're TikTok famous, Rebecca.
I don't know about that.
What do you get to 10,000 followers first?
Yeah, 10,000 followers. Yeah, you start getting monetized at 10,000.
Do you really?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to keep it up.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's fun too.
You like TikTok or YouTube better?
I like TikTok better.
For now.
I like TikTok better. It's short and sweet.
It is short and sweet.
It's 60 seconds.
It's easier to do a video.
And I don't have to come up with all this downloading, uploading, cutting, pasting.
That's funny she's thinking that though, but like for me, I was like, oh, TikTok was so overwhelming for me. And we have 1,700 videos on YouTube, and TikTok was overwhelming for me. Like, which is so crazy, so mind-blowing. But it's what someone gets comfortable with, right?
It's so funny on social media what you like and don't like or you comfortable. I cannot figure out Instagram for the life of me.
I don't like Facebook, but I love Instagram. How weird is that?
Yeah, I cannot figure it out. Like, I'm like, how do these people even get engagement on here? I get like 3 likes on something.
Yeah, well, Facebook.
And it's Instagram, you and Lauren and Derek.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. That's awesome. Well, what do you think's been the biggest secret to go from 0 to $1 million in renewals in 6 years? You still got about a year, 18 months or so to accomplish that. Whatever, right? What would you say is like some tips to get there? Because you've been crazy successful. Like for those who don't know your story, and you were on 8% virtual. For you weren't on 8% virtual. Rebecca spoke to thousands of agents and did a killer job. She's doing a breakout at 8% Nation 2021. We talk at least probably every week at some point now on social or chat or a text or something. And I've just loved like your spirit and getting to know you and having you on the team. Like there's some people that come in town the team's not excited about. They're always excited when Rebecca Davis is coming to town. So thank you for that.
Oh, it's so fun. But to answer your question, you know, as we were talking earlier, loyalty goes a long ways.
Yes.
You know, if your clients are loyal to you, you have to be loyal to them.
Yep.
And what that means is when they call and need help, you've got to fix their problems.
Yeah.
No matter how many times they call with the same question because they just don't get it.
That gets annoying though, doesn't it?
It can. But, you know, that's what
it doesn't seem to bother you though.
That's what we signed up for.
Yeah, that's true.
And
that's true.
you've got to take, as you say, some responsibility. Because this is what you signed up for. When you absolutely. When you sign up to sell Medicare, you're dealing with the senior population that are confused easily, that did not grow up with technology. You know, they're on a whole different level. You signed up to take care of our older population. And if you want the older population to refer you business, to stand by you when Joe Namath is calling every goddamn day. Oh, sorry, can I say that? You want them to stand by you, then you have to stand by them and their needs. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a customer service business.
Yes, it is.
And you keep and gain clients by the way you treat them.
Yes.
You can make 1,000 phone calls a day and you can gain 100 clients. But if you don't treat them right, you're going to have to do the exact same thing tomorrow because you're going to lose those same 100 clients you just gained.
That's about as good of a way to end this as I can think of, by the way. I can tell you're really passionate about helping our senior population, Medicare, your people in your office, your local prospects. I mean, what you're doing is you're leading from the front and you're being an example, not just for female agents, by the way. You are being an example for agents and agency owners everywhere that are trying to do something big and to get on your level one day. Okay, so thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for leading from the front like you do. Thanks for spending a few minutes on video with us today.
Thank you, Cody.
You're welcome. Okay, go check this lady out, Rebecca Davis, Medicare Wonder Woman. Love her. She's incredible. And we'll have her on again very soon.
Hey, if you enjoyed this, I got another one you're going to love. It's right there. Click on it. See you in there.
This is like the one sales tip that could just totally change the game in some agent's life. I want to go a couple more minutes. I know you have 20 agents currently, 21 with manager. You have one. They're averaging 1.4.